I'll play these ones later, but oh look, that'd be cool to win those and these. This is a slime machine, by the way, but one of these machines, this one, I think, handed me a couple hands, like literally. Here, I'll give you a hand, and it did. It might have been on video, I don't know. That'd be funny if I got a hand. That's some good stuff. Did I hear something? Huh, I thought it dispensed again. Oh well, thanks for watching. Dull. I thought this was free play mode. Guess it ain't. Okay. Time for the vending machine. Will it rob me of my money? I'll try it again, and then I'll go for this one if it does it again. A $1 alien, folks. So you got an orange one for $1. Yeah, whatever, but at least I got something, right? I'm gonna see what I get. I want that thing right there.
Oh, my boy.
Look at that. Good, I got one of them. Sweet. It's green lantern flash, I think. Looks orange. Nice. I'll unbox it later. I have a little claw machine. The one I played on here. I should put the prizes of these and that. Got a little blue guy. Find the video with the comments and guess what I'm gonna win. Sounds like a keychain, and no, I'm still wrong. It's a bracelet. Decent. Alright. Next machine. Let's see what I can get. Maybe I'll play the broke machine. This is different. Do a quarter, turn quarter. So I got one of these. It's like an adopt a pet. No, let's play the broke machine just because it's broke. me see it fly out. Oh. It's completely broke.
I want the green one. Look at it.
So, okay. Talking to me? I think she was. You know what? I'm gonna chance it and play it again. Nope, just the machine's broke. Oh well. So not only is the door broke, but so is the dispenser. Alright. Remember to adopt a pet and let me know. Don't drop it though. And let me know which one you got. And good night. Sweet, got my favorite color again. This is the machine that handed me the freebie in the one video. Nothing today though. Peace. I'm putting in 50 cents here, I'm not thinking. Got a green. This is the one that gave me the free before, but not today. Oh well. Thank you. Yeah, I dropped a quarter today. At home. It flurried a little bit ago. It flurried a little bit ago.
It did earlier, like at 2.
But they're saying something about eastern winds could help it or help it go away or something. Bye. See you later. Love you. That was my brother. Got like a pink one or something. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I just won 2 Barbies off camera. I didn't think I'd even win them. So to celebrate, I'm gonna play this. Whatever. I'll get that in a minute. We got a keychain. What is that, like a bear and a poop? Thanks for watching. What's up, folks? Let me conclude the video today officially. Look at that. This is what happens when I get mad at the claw machine. I kind of bleed. No, I'm kidding. This isn't mine. I don't even think it's blood, to be honest with you. Yeah. I wanted to make a loud noise. This is my bad hand. I'm not a lefty. Yeah. I think it's one of those footballs or something. Like get to create one, you know. Let me put this in my pocket. Alright, thanks for watching.